Looking for garage door repair in Beaverton, Oregon? Beaverton Garage Door Repair Geeks provides expert services, including garage door spring repair, opener installation, and full door replacements. Our skilled technicians offer same-day service to ensure your garage door is operating safely and efficiently. For garage door repair near Beaverton, Oregon, trust us for reliable solutions, high-quality parts, and affordable prices. For fast and professional garage door repair in Beaverton, Oregon, call Beaverton Garage Door Repair Geeks today.